In this video, we want to cover the Autopilot tab. As you can see, we have selected here the Autopilot tab within the right control panel. Now this video isn't meant to be an in-depth video on the Autopilot. We have in-depth videos that are available for you on the Autopilot Education Center. This video is just to simply give you an overview of the features themselves. The first section of the Autopilot tab is the Systems section. This is where we come through and we select the different systems that we might want to trade or backtest in the Autopilot. The second section is the Entry strategy. This is where we use different settings to come in and select how we want to get into the market. You'll notice that these are all selection fields and there is no programming required to use the Track and Trade Autopilot. The third section is the Exit strategy. This is how we get out of the market. So as you can see, as an overview, we have the system we're going to be trading, the entry strategy, how we want to get into the market, and the exit strategy, how we want to get out of the market. Now to do the back testing, you can see that we have QCalcs in here. These QCalcs represent quick calculations to automatically calculate the best setting for each one of these individual settings within the Autopilot. I'm going to come down here and raise up this bottom window, and this window down here is our accounting window, but it also serves as the Autopilot backtesting window. You'll notice that over here in the left hand column we have 4 buttons. The top button is labeled Autopilot. So if we select Autopilot, it flips this window over to the backtesting Autopilot window. You'll notice that we have all of our initial settings across the top that you'll want to go through and set for your Autopilot backtesting. We also have a number of different features across here for statistical information that you will want to resolve when working with the Autopilot. You can change these by simply right-clicking on the header. You'll notice that it says Column Settings, and this brings up a dialog box that allows you to come in and select which statistics you want to have displayed, simply by turning them on or turning them off. If you're not exactly sure what something is, for example profit factor, you'll notice that we have hyperlinks that you can select which go through and give you additional details about that particular feature. We hit OK, OK, and that sets up our statistical row. And then down here, this is the chart, and of course we can come up here and as a QCalc system allowing us to automatically have Track and Trade calculate the best settings for us, we can select any individual QCalc. We click that, for example, on the bulls and bears, and it goes out and QCalcs the best settings for the Track and Trade Autopilot, helping you define a more profitable trading system. Now we also have features on the chart. If you right click on the chart, you have the ability to change the chart over to different types of charts and also different features there.